Hello everybody. We will create a program today which will display the current date and current time using the predefined macros and no need to define any directive. We will start with char, let's say current time, which is an array, let's say 10, length of the array, char current date, let's say 12 for length of the array, and we use special functions which is the current time and our predefined macros which is time semicolon strcpi current date, our predefined macros, and with function printf and with function printf string and our current time and current date semicolon. Before we have to add also this library because we used the strings. We have to include the library string age, and we will see how this works. And this is our time in our date. Thank you for watching. See you.